In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Asana data, projects, tasks, and comments. Before we dive in, it helps to get clear on what you actually want to preserve. Backups can include entire projects, the tasks inside them, and the comments that capture decisions and context. Deciding this upfront keeps your process focused and ensures that what matters most, like deadlines, assignees, and discussion history, doesn't slip through the cracks. Once you know your scope, open the specific Asana project you want to export. This puts all the relevant information in one place and makes sure your export reflects the current state of that project. If you manage multiple projects, repeat this process for each one you want to back up. If a one-time manual backup is all you need, use the project menu and choose Export. This option is designed for quick saves or periodic snapshots, and it's especially handy when you want a file you can share, archive, or analyze outside Asana. From the available options, choose CSV if it's offered. CSV files open easily in spreadsheets and databases, making them a flexible choice for auditing and reporting. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Keep the file name descriptive so you'll recognize it later, for example, by including the project name and the date. Note that CSV exports typically capture structured fields like task names, due dates, and statuses, and may include comments depending on the view and export format. If comments are critical, double check that they're present in your export. If you want ongoing protection without repeating manual work, connect Asana to a backup or sync tool that supports automatic backups. This approach is great for teams or long-running projects because it keeps a current copy of your data without you having to remember to export it. The connection usually involves authorizing the tool to access your Asana workspace and selecting which projects to include. Set it up once, and the tool will save your data on a schedule and format it consistently over time. Finally, confirm that your backup actually worked. If you exported a CSV, open it and spot check a few tasks to make sure fields, and if you plan for them, comments look right. If you used a backup app, sign in and verify the project, tasks, and any related activity appear as expected. A quick review now prevents surprises later. That's it. Decide your scope, open the project, export to CSV for manual backups, use a backup tool for automation, and always confirm your data was saved.